Regulated marijuana sales in the United States are expected to exceed $31 billion this year. According to a recent economic forecast from a firm specializing in cannabis and hemp business consulting, data, and economic research. The projection from Portland, Oregon-based Whitney Economics estimates that legal sales of medical marijuana and adult-use cannabis will total $31. For in 2024, the forecasted amount is an increase of $2.6 billion from 2023, representing a growth rate of 9.14% year-over-year. The projection notes that legal sales of cannabis have been suppressed since the end of the COVID-19 pandemic, citing changes in consumer purchasing power, higher interest rates, and delayed implementation of regulations in new markets as challenges facing the industry. Despite these factors, overall cannabis growth has remained positive. Legal cannabis sales declined in 10 states, however, an indication that new markets are needed for the industry to continue to grow. Bo Whitney, chief economist at Whitney Economics, said that the new projection builds on a similar market analysis completed by the company last year. We are quite proud of our predictive analytics that resulted in last year's forecast versus actuals being 98.3% accurate, Whitney said in a statement about the new projection. Although there are uncertainties in the near-term outlook, demand for legal cannabis in the U.S. will remain strong throughout the decade, with growth coming from newer markets. Regulatory changes needed for continued growth. The forecast projecting continued growth of regulated cannabis sales was welcomed by executives in the cannabis industry. Some noted, however, that the industry's continued growth will depend on regulatory changes that permit cannabis businesses to operate like those in any other sector, including engaging in interstate commerce and access to banking services.